Okay, and this is my blog. It's called Jack Lydon's blog. I haven't added much CSS because we don't get marked on that, but right, I'll start. So this is the first page that you'll come to when you log on to the site as a user. And then you can see the blogs tab, which is what we're on at the minute, which is effectively the home page. And there's an About Us page and an admin login. These are the current blogs. There's a few testing ones in there. And I can filter the blogs down here. So for example, if I change this to bait and click filter, best baits will appear here. If I change it to tackle, oh, there's nothing for that. But as you can see, this does work. So if I go catches, as you can see, there. So then if I click on a blog, so this is as just a user. And so my name's Jack Lydon, and I want to say testing for video. I post it, refresh the page, and as you can see, it's got my name, the time and date, and my comment. So then if I go back to blogs, I can do that for all of these blogs. I can add a comment, and it displays the time. So if I now log in as an admin, and so this is I've already set this up, but I'll set up a new one and show logging in with that. So I log in, and this is the admin side. And so if I want to add a blog, so I'll go title will be test for video demo. Author will be Jack Lydon. Text will be hi, this is my test for video. And now the release date, if I set the release date for a time in the future, it will not appear until that time is set. So it's 3:57 at the minute. So if I go 2016 04 and it's the 24th, 04 24, that will appear because it's today. But if I will add another one afterwards, and I'll set it for the 25th, and that won't that shouldn't appear. Okay, so I can assign this to any of these categories. So I'm going to assign it to the catches category. And now I'm going to add another blog, and this can be called test 2 for video. It can be Jack Lydon test 2, and then I'll do 2016 04 25. And that can also be in the captures, and I'll add that. So hopefully the test 1 will show up, and test 2 won't. So as you can see, the test for video demo, hi, this is my test for video, is there, and the other one is not, because that was set for tomorrow. Okay, so I go back to the admin login, and now if I want to edit a blog, and so in order to edit a blog, I have to put in the blog ID. So I'm just going to load this up. Okay. And then I go to tables, blog. Okay, so this test for video demo here, the blog ID is 10. So if I want to edit a blog, the ID is 10, and I want to change the title, and I want to change the title to changed the title. Edit blog, go back to here. As you can see, the title is now changed to change the title, which I've just added. So we'll go back to here. So deleting a blog. If I now want to delete that blog, 10 says deleted. I'll check in here, refresh this. 10 is now gone. So you have 9 and 11, 10's gone. And that also just won't display on the blogs page now. So I want to add a category, so I'm going to call testing for video. And the description is testing for video. Add category. Then if I want to add a blog, as you can see, testing for videos there, so I'd be able to assign a blog to a category. Now if I want to edit a category, so that's called testing for video, and let me just get the ID of that. So I'll go to testing for video, that's ID 6. So I want to go and I want to change the name. I want to put name changed. And now if I want to add a blog, you can see it's changed to name change. So editing a category also works. And now if I want to delete that category, which was category number ID 6, delete, and then go back to here, it's gone. So that works. And now if I want to add an admin, I'll put in the email, so I'll just put test@test.com. Password can be test. Now, and then I'll do test@test.com, and then test, and that's allowed me to log in. And then if I want to delete that admin, so that's admin ID 2, delete number 2, and as you can see, right, that doesn't work. Hold on a sec.